Hello everybody, and welcome back to the Outdoor Channel. Over the years we've had a few different trucks that we've featured here, and we've done a lot of different bed accessories. Out of all those pieces of content that we've done over the years, there's a couple of them that I've really enjoyed. This is one of them. This is from Muslogy. It's one of the Amazon companies. It's a truck bed net. It's inexpensive. You can get it, like I said, on Amazon. Pretty much every truck can use one of these. I'll show it to you. Stay tuned.
Welcome to the outdoors. Welcome to the outdoors.
All right, when you order your kit, it's going to look something like this. Comes in a nice reusable bag. We're going to go ahead and open it up and show you what comes inside. This is a super simple install. You got your net and some carabiners. What's nice about this kit over some of the other kits that are out there is that they give you 6 of these carabiners. Now a lot of the other kits only give you 4, but if you have the extra attachment points or D-rings, you can hook it up in 6 different spots. Every time I've done a net review, they seem to get a little bit better over time. The carabiner just slips on, something like that. And these are pretty thick and should last a long time. Like I said, there's 6, so if you have the D-rings, you can put all of them on. If you only have 4, then you can only put on what you need. The install doesn't get any simpler. In this case, the thicker piece of this net is the bottom. Just a matter of taking your carabiners and finding your corresponding tie downs or D-rings. And here's the net fully installed. One of the nice things about this one is it has an opening here, and that's what this big bottom piece is for, to support anything that you may want to put down here. And if you have the multi-pro or multi-flex tailgate, it will not interfere with your grab iron. All right, let's demonstrate by putting some gear and tools in here. Some of this has a little bit of weight, some of it does not, but you can see all the stuff I'm putting in here, and there's quite a bit of room to spare. And as we are an outdoor channel, we're going to put our 40-quart Yeti cooler in here. Shouldn't have any issues closing the tailgate. And there she is, all loaded up. Looking pretty good.